Hello students, a very good afternoon to all the students. So students, today we are starting the new topic, that is nutrition in amoeba. So in this topic we will understand about how amoeba gets its nutrition. Okay students. So now let's proceed. Amoeba is a microscopic single cell organism found in bones, wool and ditches. So students, amoeba is a microscopic organism. That means it can be seen under the microscope, and it is single cell organism. That means it is made up of only one cell. Unlike human being are made up of many more cells, but amoeba is made up of only one type of cell. So they are found in bones, poles and ditches. So it constantly changes its shape by pushing out one or more finger-like projection called the pseudopodia or false feet that are meant for locomotion and capturing of food. So students, yes, amoeba can change its shape. So why do amoeba change its shape? It will change its shape in order to capture food or for locomotion. So students, the meaning of locomotion is movement. Okay, it is the movement. So whenever amoeba wants to move or whenever it wants to capture food, it will just change its shape by pushing out one or more finger-like projection. It will push out one or more finger-like projection, and those projections are known as pseudopodia or the false feet. So I hope it is clear to you till here. If not, we will understand it in the next paragraph. So all the processes of nutrition are performed by single cell of amoeba. So students, amoeba is made up of only one cell. So all the processes of nutrition will carried out by that single cell. Okay. So now you see, next is the ingestion. So in ingestion, what happens? The amoeba eats tiny microscopic plants and animals as food that float on water in which it lives. So amoeba lives in water, and in the water what happens? It will find a tiny microscopic plants and animals, and it will feed on those tiny plants and animals. So you see, when an amoeba finds a suitable organism, it pushes out two pseudopodia around the organism. So students, you see, in ingestion what happens? Whenever the amoeba finds a suitable organism, it will just push out two pseudopodia. Here these are the pseudopodia. Okay students, these are the pseudopodia. So it is pushing out two pseudopodia. Okay, so gradually what happens? After pushing the pseudopodia around the organism, the tip of the pseudopodia will fuse together. Okay, it will fuse together, forming a round shape. So as a result what happens? Food is engulfed inside the amoeba, okay, along with little surrounding water to form food vacuole inside it. So here you see students, I will show you properly. So this will get joined, and then after joining what happens? It will form this kind of structure, okay, and this is the food. So here you can see this is food. So what happens? This is food, this is the food vacuole, and inside there will be water. Okay students, so this white portion will be having water. So now you see, in digestion what happens? The enzymes from the surrounding cytoplasm enter the food vacuole and break down the food into simple soluble substance. So students, what happens? The enzymes that are present in the surrounding, that means the enzymes that are present in the surrounding cytoplasm will enter into the food vacuole. Okay, it will enter into the food vacuole, and then those enzymes will help in breaking down the food into simple and soluble substance. So I hope it is clear to you. So let me tell you once again. Inside the amoeba there is a cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm, and here different enzymes are present. So this enzyme will enter into the inside the food vacuole, and what happens? Inside the food vacuole there is a food material. So this enzyme will help in breaking the food into simple and soluble matter. Okay students, so moving to the next one, you see it's absorption. Now the digested food is absorbed. So now we are going to have a look on how the food is absorbed. The digested food present in the food vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm. So you see, the digested food will be, here is the absorption. Okay, so after digestion, the digested food is absorbed directly in the cytoplasm. Okay, in the cytoplasm the food is absorbed. So now absorption is shown like this, like the arrow. Okay, like this. I hope you can see this. So in this way the digested food is absorbed in the cytoplasm. Now next is the assimilation. So the digested food absorbed by the cytoplasm is stored or utilized for its growth, development and multiplication and release of energy. Okay students, so in assimilation what happens? The digested food will be absorbed by the cytoplasm and then it will be stored or utilized for its growth, for the growth of the amoeba or for the development of the amoeba or for multiplication of amoeba, that means from one organism to another one. So and also for release of energy. So for all these activities the food is absorbed inside the cytoplasm. Okay, and then it is stored. Now you can see here it's a assimilation. Just a simple structure is shown over here. Now next is the ingestion. So in ingestion what happens? The undigested food gets collected inside the vacuole. So students, the digested food is absorbed by the cytoplasm and then undigested food gets collected inside the vacuole. So the cell membrane ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown out the body of by the vacuole. So what happened? The cell membrane will rupture and then at any place the undigested food is thrown out by the vacuole. So here in the image ingestion it is shown that this cell membrane is rupturing. That means it will rupture and then the undigested food will just go away. Okay, it will go away out of the body of the amoeba. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to you. So that's all for today. We have completed the nutrition in amoeba. If any doubt you can ask me. Okay students, so thank you and have a good day.